Hey y'all, it's Jim Bob here, and my stupid camera wasn't working, so I just wanted to say, hey y'all, how's it going? And
welcome back. I know it's been a really long time since I've done my general cooking series. It's been probably, I think, over 3 years now. And, I've just had like a lot of personal stuff going on in life, trying to fix the garage and all, and, mowing the lawn, and, trying to pay alimony to that one ex-wife that I didn't kill. I know, right? But, I've been away for a while, and, I haven't really seen much activity on the channel, but, I haven't been real much technology, but I got me one of them, newfangled mobile phones, and, I was, going through my old email again, and I found this email from a guy called Stanley Kubrick or something like that. Anyways, he, emailed me, and apparently part of the channel that I used to be with before. And he was like, hey y'all, hey man, I want you back, do some cooking videos and stuff. And I was like, well, you know what, I ain't got nothing better to do, so I decided to come back, because I've been cooking for a while, these past few years, cooking a lot, making a lot of stuff. I got a lot of recipe ideas, and I figured, I'd show them to the public again, because we got no more shows left. All we got left for good shows is Paula Dean's channel and Dr. Phil, and well, that's pretty much it. So today I'm gonna make a special recipe for y'all. It's one that I've been having on the back burner for a long time, and drum roll please. Pulled pork pizza. I know, right? The most southern thing in the world. You know what I mean? We got pizza and pulled pork and all kinds of other southern spicy stuff. So you know what? Let's start this baby up. So pizza bread, you can make your own, but who the fuck has time for that? I don't make my own pizza bread, so I just went over to the general store, the only store they really have around here where I live, and I just bought this pizza bread, so we're gonna plop that on right here, and there's the pizza bread. Alright, so we got a few simple ingredients for y'all, we just got, so I'm gonna start from the smallest and then we're gonna get to the biggest ingredient. So, first of all, we got our topper, which is some good old A1 steak fries, shake well, oh yeah, that's good. So we'll put that here. We also got some, red pepper for some extra zest and added texture, so we're gonna put that here as well. One of the big ingredients, if I can find it, here it is some Pirates of the Carolinas, whatever you want to call it, hot sauce. Normally I get all American hot sauce, but this is all that one of my cousins, who's also going to be making a return video, I won't say who because I want to keep it a surprise, gave me this hot sauce when he was going to the Bahamas and shit like that, so we're going to put that here. And finally we got the beef de resistance. We got some genuine curly pulled pork, naturally hickory smoked, yeah, gluten-free if you, whatever the fuck, I don't know. So anyways, we're gonna start with the Big Daddy pulled pork. We're gonna take that right there, and we're gonna open it up, see how it is. Oh yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? Looks gnarly. This is the best experience. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are going to gently apply it on the pizza. God damn it! Didn't get it right. Look at it. It's all spilled now. Okay, alright. Okay, calm down. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pork, as you see here. I mean, look at this. Look at these clouds. I mean, it looks really good, you know what I'm saying? So, you want to take your pork, you want to just mash it onto the pizza, and mash it, and just, give it a bit of a massage on the pizza, Oh, God damn it. Alright, well, look, you got your pizza there. I'm gonna wash my hands, so it'll probably be a jump cut. Okay, so you got your pizza ready, and you just want to add your ingredients very slightly. Okay, so put on your delicious A1 steak sauce, and you're just gonna want to add a little drip, just a tiny, oh, damn it! Fucking hate this shit. Okay, all right, what do we do with this? Just a little bit, you know, you want to get it around here, get that steak sauce. All right, deep breath. Get a little bit of hot sauce in there, you know. All right. Okay. Looks good. Looks just like when I can't think of a metaphor, but anyways. And last but not least, for the pizza, we grab a little bit of red pepper here. You know what? Just gonna take the thing off, add it, you know, see if that'll help a little bit, you know, add a little bit of pepper. Fucking fuck! I fucking hate this shit! Jeez! Fucking pizza! Alright, let's see if we can salvage this. I think I know what to do. You gotta get yourself one of these rollers here, see? And if I just pop my face back around, you're just gonna take that, and if you want to fix the pizza, that's okay, because, you know, you just roll it back into place. Nice and steady. That way you get the nice, like, pulled pork texture, you know, applied to it. And there you go, you see? Now, you can add, like, pepperoni and, like, other stuff to that, but honestly, I prefer just, like, you know, the plain pulled pork experience. And if you want to add more steak sauce, you know, you're always free to do that, like right there. Okay, that should be enough. All right, we can salvage that. You know, you just keep rolling it. Another ingredient I figured that, you know, we might do is for you Asians out there, you know, I got myself a little yum yum sauce. You know, you like pour that on, you know, give it a little bit of zest. Sorry guys, I'm a bit stressed today. I got an important job interview after this. I didn't want to tell y'all because I was a bit embarrassed, you know, thinking that I'm unemployed and y'all, but my side business isn't going too well. So what the hell is this? I didn't do well, and they're my only people left. I'm so fucking angry. I can't fucking. Fuck you! Fucking fuck! What have I done? What have I done? It's okay. You don't have to suffer anymore.
y'all. I just wanted to apologize for that freak out that I had there. Just want to let you guys know that I'm doing a lot better than I was then. My interview actually went pretty well, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I'll probably give you an update about what I'm working at in the future. But thanks guys for watching. I know y'all, are forgiving of me and my mishaps, and don't worry, because another general cooking video is coming in the future, and this time I think I'm gonna get it right. So see y'all next time.